Hello and welcome back to Open, everyone. So, Shot of Art is an art and entertainment space for fun and unique painting experiences unlike anything you've ever seen before. Through their hands on interactive painting activities, all ages can have a unique opportunity to reveal their creative potential and have a funky date or a party. Joining us now to share more is Shot of Art's managing director, Natalie Burlutskaya. Hello and welcome.
Hi guys, morning.
Good morning. So, first, let's just begin with how long Shot of Art has been in existence. I know you have various locations. You've got one in California, one in Chicago, and then, of course, we're going to be discussing the one here in New York. But the concept itself is awesome. So, let's just share with everyone how long you've even been in existence.
We are like a toddler. We are 1 year old.
Nice. Nice. And I love the concept. Okay, so I was scrolling through and I was going, "Oh my gosh, what a wonderful idea!" And which is why I felt compelled to share that it's a wonderful party, right? It's a wonderful place to hold a party. I don't know what kind of arrangements people need to make there, but we can talk about, I guess, the different like events that you offer and or different art experiences. Is that what you would consider it? Because the one that I was looking at the most was the one where they shoot the balloons with paint, and while there's like a table rotating to create this abstract piece of art.
Yes, right. So we offer different art experiences. One of them is when you make paint balloons, you shoot those balloons from a BB gun, then you spin that canvas on a spinning wheel. And this is how you get your unpredictable, wonderful piece of contemporary art.
And so, all right, so let's just, who came up with this idea, right? So I know we're going to be showing images, but from what I saw, you get a raincoat, you get a rain jacket, you get plastic to put over your shoes, you're covered, like hooded down, and I guess pick your colors, you receive some kind of tutorial. Look, as we're showing an image of people, I guess, on a date, which I think is a lovely concept for a date. And then they pick the colors, and then they put the colors in the actual balloon, right, with water. Like it's almost like a whole tutorial of how to create abstract art, except in this fun manner of I guess doing it collaboratively.
Right, but not with water, with paint. That's the detail.
Uh-huh.
So fill in the balloons with paint, and then you like shoot that paint drops onto your canvas, and then you spin it, and this is how you get your artwork at the end. Also, we have art classes, fluid art, when you create a medium out of the acrylic paint and then you pour that medium onto your canvas. Then we use flame to add some texture. So we have a lot of fun here at Shot of Art. And the pictures that we saw before, it's our business owners. So they were on a date at Shot of Art.
Oh, the two individuals that we just showed the image of, can we show that again? So they were on a date at Shot of Art at their own establishment.
Yes, isn't it cute? So Nadia and Ilya Kazmins.
I love it. I love it. Okay, so I see that there's also paint on the wall. So are people able to just paint randomly on the wall as well?
We also offer this art experience when you can book a room and just paint on the walls, on the floor, whenever you want, wherever you want, with paint that we give. So it's a lot of fun, especially for kids' parties, because when kids learn that, when kids find out that they are allowed here to paint on the walls, to paint on the floor, they are so surprised.
Right, right. Because as children, everyone, including myself, is restricted to write on walls and or paint on walls. So it's like, ooh, we get to be rebels and just do anything we want on the walls.
Right, right, right.
I also saw that you have another, I guess, art. booking, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was ceramic. I'm not sure. It looked like a teddy bear of some sort, and the concept is really what I find fascinating. So it's not like, oh, you're just there painting. You're actually letting the paint kind of find its form within, so that it becomes a relationship to the experience, not just the art.
I believe now you can become our art instructor. You know so much about shadow art. Yes, true. We offer this art experience at our California location and Chicago location. Not yet in New York, but we are aiming at it. So yeah, it's called Fluid Bear, but you can book this experience not in New York yet. And before you asked about that protection gear that you saw, that fun raincoats. Yes, we offer aprons, we offer shoe covers, we offer boot covers, and we also offer raincoats. So all people who also need fun photo shoots or videos, they are always welcome to come in to get dressed this funky way, you know, to get painted over without any fear to paint their clothes.
Right. So again, I was super excited scrolling through the website, looking at all of these options, and it's great that we're mentioning Chicago and LA, because you know what, this is going to go on the web. So for anybody who's watching us from the other states, then if they're in Chicago or in LA, they're also learning about shot of art, and so when it comes to like the date situation, because I found it to be like really an interesting way to just go on a first date, right? Do you offer like wine and things of that nature?
Well, because we offer shooting, we do not offer wine.
Right, right, right.
We ask,
What am I thinking? The two don't go
yes,
hand in hand. True,
so
true.
there's a logic behind it, you know, and we always ask people to be extra careful not to shoot at each other, not to shoot at themselves, at their art instructor. Be extra careful to shoot only at paint balloons, because we want to make this art like peacefully, and we use our BB guns, airsoft guns, only for peaceful, creative goals, purposes, matters.
So how do you qualify people to do that? Because that sounds a little scary to me. You know, like you're like it's peaceful, and so I mean, it looked kind of difficult to be honest, because the actual the range is kind of far, and it looks like it takes a couple of shots in order to even get the balloon, because the balloon isn't like humongous either, right? Filled with paint.
The balloons are small, and you can pick basically the range that is comfortable for you. And I want to mention also that every class is guided by the art instructor who is dedicated totally and completely to your party, to your team. So it's not like someone is randomly available or on hand. It's always like you are only with an instructor, and this instructor is watching you. They help you, they guide you from the point when you pick the colors to the point when you finish your artwork.
All right, and so what have I guess what are some of the testimonies that you've received in people experiencing this, possibly for the first time?
First of all, this experience is unexpected for them. Some of them come in here as a surprise and they didn't know where they come in. And when they finish their artwork, they say, we've never thought we were able to create a work of art. And now we are so proud of ourselves. Also, people come back to create more art if they move to a new apartment, or if they were inspired by the first time and they want another painting, another piece of art, so they can try different techniques. And we always help to basically pick colors that would be great for their interiors.
Nice, nice. So, in closing, is there anything you want to share with our viewers? Should they be interested in booking, I guess, an event and or a session, right? Because you have to make reservations in order to do this, correct?
Absolutely. We are a popular place, especially on weekends. So make your reservation online a week in advance. Also, we offer great party packages, budget friendly for corporations, for your teams, for your families, for your children and their friends. So I promise that you can find everything you want, everything you didn't think about.
Well, thank you for bringing it here to our viewers, everyone. Natalie Burlutskaya of A Shot of Art's managing director. For more information, you can visit ny.shotofart.com. Stay tuned. There's more open when we return.